Hi! In front of me is REALME 9 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change the display refresh rate of this REALME. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. After that, scroll down again, click on Screen Refresh Rate, and tap on the best option for you. I will go with High. When you're ready, tap on the back button, and as you can see, screen refresh rate of my REALME has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!